Good morning class 12th. Welcome you all in Classroom Notes by Rekha Jain. Today I am taking The Rat Trap by Salma Legaloff with its important questions and answers so as to make the lesson more clear to you. Let me start with the first question. Where did the idea of the world being a rat trap come in the mind of the peddler? Answer is, the peddler was a lonely figure, had to plod from door to door to sell his rat traps. People frowned upon him wherever he went. While sitting alone once, he was pondering over the idea of the world being a rat trap, which came in his mind. According to him, the comforts of the luxurious things and money were the baits which are put inside the trap. The moment humans start grabbing them, they are trapped inside just like the rats. So this was how the idea of the world being a rat trap came in his mind. Next question. Why was the peddler amused by the idea? Amused here means happy with the idea. The world never welcomed him, rather frowned upon him, and this filled his heart with bitterness and malice against them. Because he was all alone, he could not enjoy even for the least moment, and when he thought that the world is a sufferer like rat, he was entertained by this idea. Next question. Did the peddler respect the confidence reposed in him by the crofter? Here comes the answer. He was lurking in abject poverty. That's why he was devoid of the good values. So he fell a prey to the temptation of 30 kronos. Fell a prey means he was tempted. He was attracted to commit a robbery by stealing the 30 kronos. And how did he steal the 30 kronos? By breaking the window pane. Thus, he didn't respect the confidence reposed in him by the crofter. And reposed here means either put or shown. Next question. How did the iron master react on seeing the peddler, and why did he react so? See the answer. The iron master mistook the peddler as his old army comrade, that is Captain Niels Olof. He was overwhelmed to meet his old friend, but simultaneously he was saddened by his pitiable condition. Overwhelmed here means he became emotional, and pitiable condition, very miserable. He was in tattered clothes, very dirty clothes, and that's why the iron master insisted him to come to his house to celebrate Christmas. This was his reaction. And why did he react so? Due to the dim light available only from the furnace, he could not identify him. Next question. Why did the peddler decline our iron master's invitation and accept Edla Williamson's offer? He declined iron master's invitation to avoid from being caught, as he had committed a thievery at Crofter's house. He was so humble, so kind, and so compassionate that he could not refuse. This was all about Edla Williamson, that she was so humble, kind, and compassionate. Though he felt that he once again had fallen into the rat trap, he followed her and went inside the home. Next question. What did Edla Williamson infer about the peddler at her first sight? Dear student, she was very, intelligent. She was a keen observer, and she could infer that he had either stolen something or run away from the sheriff. Sheriff here means police. She also understood that he had no quality of being a captain, because he seemed to be uncivilized and uneducated. Next question. How did the peddler defend himself against not having revealed his true identity when he was caught by the iron master? So here is the answer. He uttered that he was not allowed to speak the truth, though he wanted to tell. When iron master threatened him to be handed over to the police, he thumped the table by saying that day he had fallen a prey to the world's trap. Prey here means victim. The next time it might be his turn. His refers to here the R in master. This was how he defended himself. Next question. Why did the peddler sign himself as Captain Von Stanley? Now see here. Answer. Edla Williamson's humane and compassionate behavior removed the bitterness and malice from his heart. Malice here means ill will. Her kind behavior could revive the real goodness of a human heart, raising him to the level of a captain from a thief. Dear students, revive here means invoke, re-invoke. That was a unique way of thanking her, and this was how he reciprocated the regard. That was why he signed as Captain Von Stanley. Okay, students, hope you must have understood the part of the video which I have tried to bring for you people. We'll meet again. Till then, bye bye.